Welcome to this review on the DIY Maker. Today we've got the Purple Bird Bushcraft axe. This one is more of a pattern like a carving axe, but I have to say I like the metal finish out of the box. It is, you can tell there's some rough handwork doing the forging here. The texture on the unfinished metal is pretty coarse, but the finish on the blade, they did take the time to polish it, but that's where the quality of this edge ends. This edge is out of the box not very good, so it's going to need to be tuned up in order to be functional for bushcraft and carving work. I'm not sure where they got the idea for the brand Purple Bird. According to the website, they took it from the Japanese. This axe is made in China, and I'm not too wild about the finish on the woodwork, but I have to say, for its price point, this is actually a really cool little hatchet. And I'm pretty confident that once I get this edge trued up, I'm going to be able to have a very effective carving tool that'll help with some of my carving projects. So, do I think this is a good value? Absolutely, I do. Let's take a look at the mask for this. The mask is got some very nice tooling work on it. It's attractive. It is made with 3 pieces of leather. And what makes that important is that there is a top, a bottom, and an inner piece. This inner piece is made out of a very heavy gauge leather, so that when the blade is in the mask, there's no blade against the threads. So this isn't going to take itself apart over time. The blade is actually sitting against a thick piece of leather that is stitched across the middle of the mask. So once you put the snap on, it's on there really good. It's not going anywhere. It's captive. So I do like the mask, and I do actually like the pattern overall of this. If I had to change anything, I would have it supplied with a better edge, and I would also have this this wood finished a little bit better. But honestly, for the money, it is actually a pretty high quality product. And I'm looking forward to putting an edge on this. And if you get one of these, make sure you do get an axe sharpening puck to go with it. This is what you're going to use to put an edge on your new axe. You're going to want to wet this stone, and you're going to match the angle of the blade, and then you're just going to basically continue truing up that edge until you get it to the point where it's actually cutting and carving well for you. Again, this is the Purple Bird carving / bushcraft axe. It's a pretty common pattern, and I think it's a great value, honestly, for the money.